Creating glowing YouTube thumbnails in Canva is a game changer for boosting your click-through rate. With just a few simple steps, you can make your thumbnails pop and grab attention. Start by opening Canva and selecting the YouTube thumbnail template. This ensures your design is the perfect size. Next, choose a vibrant background, something that contrasts well with your subject. A dark background works wonders for making glowing effects stand out. Now, upload your photo and position it centrally. To add that glowing effect, duplicate your image, apply a blur, and adjust the brightness to make it shine. This creates a soft halo effect around your subject. For the glow to really pop, go to the Elements tab and search for light or neon. Overlay these elements around your subject to enhance the glowing effect. Adjust their transparency and size to fit seamlessly into your design. Don't forget your text. Use bold sans serif fonts and apply effects like lift or glow to make your title stand out. Choose colors that complement your background and ensure readability. Finally, preview your thumbnail to ensure everything looks cohesive. Once satisfied, download your design and upload it to YouTube. With these steps, you can create eye-catching, glowing thumbnails that draw viewers in. Remember, the key is to make your thumbnail vibrant and reflective of your video's content.